Hi guys, welcome to Happy Savings. Okay, I want to share a video like what are the deals going on next week in CVS. There are so many good deals going on in CVS. Like coming to first one, this Colgate total is on sale for 275 and you are getting back in $2 in extra care bucks. I think we are getting like 75 cents of coupon in the coming smart source, and there is also $1 of CVS coupon. Yeah, $1 of CVS coupon in CVS Reinventing Beauty magazine. If you combine, we can combine this with the manufacturer coupon, so it makes a $1 money maker. There is a limit of two per card, so you can use two of them. So it's a $2 money maker. That's a good deal. These chocolates are 149. Okay, yeah. Coming to next deal. Yeah, these taster choice single serve packets. I mean 7 single serves is 10 for 10. That means dollar each, and there is a buy one get one free coupon and 75 cents off coupon on their website. You have to sign up for that thing, so that makes it 35 cents. That's a good deal. Here, Almay is a part of cash card deal and it is buy one get one 50% off. I think there is a $2 off manufacturer coupon in Smart Source. I think it is going to expire in on 15. So if you love these products, that makes a good deal. You can fill that with cash card deal also. Yeah, these CoverGirl products, when you buy two you get back $5 in extra care bucks. Normally these are around $7 and up. So if you love these products, there is a $2.50 coupon on any CoverGirl product in last PNG. So if you use two of them, that makes them like $2 each. That's a good deal. And here you can see this lady speed stick deal is going again this week, but it's in a different way. Like spend 15 and get back $5 in extra care bucks. If you buy 8 of them, that makes up to 15 and you get back $5. If your computer, like if your register takes off like $3.99 when you scan buy one get one, if you give 4 of them, that makes them all free and you get back $5 in extra care bucks. That's a pretty good deal. And if your register adjusted it to $1.99, and I think that's not a good deal. I think you already stock up those things, so you don't want to pay anything like for those things. And the same sale going on, soft soap body wash hair spring $3 if you want them badly, so you can. I think all of them are stock up. I think, yeah, there is a Dow deal also going on. Spend 15 get $5 in extra care bucks on shampoo, body wash, deos. There is $1 off coupon, I think in last red plum. Yeah, I think Nivea is a good deal on lip balms. There is a $3 off of any two lip care products. I think it's in this week red plum. So if you gave two of them, that makes it $4 for 4 of them, and you get back $3 in extra care bucks as you spend $10. So that makes 25 cents each. You can use these as a filler for your mark, like spend 10 sorry, spend 50 get $10 off, or spend 25 get $5 off, like a CVS pad. You can use those as fillers. That makes a good deal. Yeah, here got to be products. These are normally like around $5.99 each, but now those are on sale like $3.99. I think there is a $3 off. Yeah, on Red Plum, $3 off of any one full size product. So if you use them, you are getting them like for 99 cents. That's a good deal. In Walgreens we are getting them for free, but if you have any problems like explaining all those coupon policies and beeping, if you don't want all those stuff, you can do that deal in CVS to fill up those 50 mark or 25 mark. That's a good deal. John Frieda products is also on sale, like spend 15 get $5. I think there is a $3 off coupon coming in this smart source. Think so. Yeah, this summer eve cleansing cloths sprays or whatever, I don't use them, but if you use them, it's a pretty good deal. I think this cheapest one is $2.99. I think cleansing cloths, buy one get one free. So I think there is a $2 off. Yeah, $2 off of only two summer eve external products. I'll put the link below. So that makes it 49 cents each. You can reuse those also as can. Yeah. Coming to this, Sensodyne is also buy one get one 50% off, and it is a part of cash card deal. There is a $5 off any 10 CVS coupon, GlaxoSmith products, I think, in Reinventing Beauty magazine. So you can use that thing. I think these are normally around $5.99 each. Sensodyne pays for buy one get one, that makes up to $8.98. And in order to fill up to $10 mark, you can use that Biotin product, 157 travel size mouthwash or whatever. Mouthwash, and you can use those $1 off of any Biotin, or you can take two of them. Here you can see $1 off of any Biotin. There is no size restriction, so you can use any travel section or whatever. And yeah, there is a $2.50 off of any two Sensodyne. It is also in Reinventing Beauty magazine. I think Jennifer Lopez cover page. So if you combine all those stuff, that makes a pretty good deal in cash card ones. If you don't find like yeah, we are talking about like nature made thing. So if you don't find as many as you want nature made products, so you can fill those up cash card deal with this Sensodyne. So that makes a pretty good deal. Yeah, these are also all part of cash card deal. If you want them really badly, and if you use those products, that's a deal. Yeah, here you can see One Touch Ultra Mini. It's on sale for $9.99. There is a $10 off of any One Touch Ultra Mini. Sorry, product. I think it's in Smart Source on January 8th insert. If you use them, you are getting it for free. If you don't use them, you can donate them like to patients whoever need them. Free. We like free things. Yeah, here Maybelline is buy one get one 50% off, and it is a part of cash card deal. The cheapest one is Maybelline Baby Lip Balms. There is a $2 off of any Maybelline lip product. It's, I think this is in last Red Plum. So if you have those, you can use them. And Nature Made at my store, the cheapest one is $5.49. I think on vitamin D and those stuff. Uh, if you use like fish oil is like cheapest one is $9.99 at my store, like $10. I told you in my last video about Nature Made high value coupon. If you sign up for that thing, you can get like up from 13th, you can get $5 off of any Nature Made. If you use that coupon, that makes them free, and you can get back $10 in extra care bucks. That is a $10 money maker, so keep an eye on that. Okay, if you don't have all those Nature Made you want, like, you can fill those with Sensodyne, I told you, so that's a good deal. Yeah, those are the deals going on. I think you all got whatever you need. Have a happy savings. Thank you for watching. Bye.